an interesting angle. I'm sorry about this light. Wait a minute, I have to figure out how to do... This is actually not a bad idea, hey? Where am I kitchen covered? Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. Oh, look at that. You are my sunshine, my only sun. Oh, look at that. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, you guys, I have not been able to for a good few days, okay? Like, trying not being able to enjoy it because I've just been so congestidoed, you know what I mean? So, I just make my instant coffee here while I'm talking to you. I'm having Nescafe. This is one I don't care. I love coffee, but I also love instant coffee. Judge me all you want. I don't care. And I have not washed my face. I have some kind of I think I have a scratch on my cornea from my contact. So that one's red and sore and kind of, I think, swollen under here. And I'm very snotty, as you can tell. And yeah, that's my update. But I'm clearing up. The gunk is coming out. Don't look at my house. Don't look at my house. I should do green screen. Okay. Cheers. Who needs a contour? Look. Just walk around like this. What contour do you use? Oh, I don't use contour. That's ridiculous. I love hot, steamy. Why is this so dirty? That's disgusting. Let's clean it. Never mind. I'll clean it in a bit because I don't want to be running around my house while you're sitting in my cupboard here, okay? That reminded me of Miranda Sings. Whatever happened to her? Isn't this cute? I got this at Winners. It's an actual polo toque, and he's playing, I think he's playing rugby, right? Isn't that a rugby outfit? Sexy. It's a sexy outfit. Look, it's like embroidered. This is not sponsored, okay? I don't have any sponsors. Who's gonna sponsor my burping and farting channel? Wait a minute. What about gassy? What about... gassy. What else is good for blood? Tums. What about Tums? What about... ranitidine. The stomach. Shit, what's that? Ugh, I forgot everything, you guys. My head doesn't work anymore. Anyways. Yeah. This happens when I smoke in the mornings. Hold on. Oh. It's going down the kitchen. Oh. It's going down the kitchen. Oh. It's going down the kitchen. I thrifted this, and isn't this cute? Don't moose with me, bitches. Don't judge my place either. Oh my God, what am I doing? This is, I'm going to post this. I'm going to challenge myself to, Who? Was that English? I'm going to challenge myself to post this because I look like crap. I've been sick and snotty. Look at my nose. Don't look at my nose. I haven't maintained my... I've been showering though. Thank God. But yeah, I'm not at my best is what I'm trying to say, okay? And this is just real life. This is my place, so. Don't judge. Or judge. I don't really care. Because, you know what? I love you guys. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Why does it sound like a jaw song? Let me know if you like this. And I will see you next time. I must be feeling better. I have to do the typical Asian, and I can say it because I'm Asian. Picture pose. Or now it's like, it used to be this, and then it changed to now it's, I think, oh, how does she do that? I don't know. Oh, look, there's my heart. Boom, 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 boom. It's over here. Boom, 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 boom. Wait a minute. I still like this the biggest. This is the biggest heart for you guys, okay? Mwah!